Hello, welcome to the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen. My name is Julia, and over the next few weeks I want to show you how easy it is to create healthy recipes right at home using the full range of Kuvings juices, blenders and yogurt makers. Today we're going to start off with a really simple recipe, orange juice, but we're going to spice it up with a bit of fresh turmeric and red hot chili. We are going to start with 2 oranges, a knob of fresh turmeric and a couple of pieces of chili, as you can see here. Now the oranges, the turmeric, they are really great anti-inflammatories, and the chili, well, that's going to spice up your circulation, give you a really great zing to your morning and fire you up so you've got lots of energy throughout the day. My friend here, let me introduce you to the C7000 Kuvings Cold Press Juicer. Now this juicer is choice recommended, and what I love about a cold press juicer is it's really quiet, number one, because it's actually pressing your fruit and vegetables. So we've got 2 oranges, I've peeled them, let's pop the first one in. Now as you can see, I've left quite a bit of white pith on these oranges. A lot of nutrition is just under the skin of your fruits and vegetables, so try not to take off too much of that part. Turmeric and our hot chili. That is smelling so completely fresh, and as you can see, it's all filled up there now. Switch that off and let out that liquid gold. Oh, that is the way you should have your orange juice. Remember, it always tastes better with a Kuvings. If you'd like to win one of these awesome Kuvings products thanks to Get a Life TV, all you need to do is head straight to the Kuvings website, enter your details, and you could win. Good luck.